हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आप लोगों का स्वागत करता हूं मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग कॉन्सेप्ट में। आज मैं आप लोगों को बताने जा रहा हूं मोलियर चार्ट डायग्राम के बारे में। मोलियर चार्ट इज एंथैल्पी एंट्रोपी डायग्राम, जिसमें डिफरेंट फेजेस ऑफ लिक्विड आर शोन इन फिगर। हियर दिस रीजन इज नोन एज वेट रीजन and this region is superheated region. This region is liquidous region. In this diagram, this point is known as critical point. At this point, all quantities are called critical quantities, like critical pressure, critical temperature, critical volume. This line is constant pressure temperature line, which is a straight line within the wet region. And in the superheated region, constant pressure line and constant temperature line are diverging nature to each other. The slope of constant pressure line within the wet region is equal to absolute temperature. The difference between enthalpy is of saturated vapor and saturated liquid at the same pressure saturation pressure line is known as latent heat of vaporization. When saturation pressure is gradually increasing, the latent heat of vaporization is gradually decreased. When the saturation pressure reached at critical pressure, this latent heat of vaporization becomes zero. The critical pressure is 221 bar and critical temperature is 374 degrees centigrade. Now we know that entropy equation TdS is equal to dH minus VdP. Now dP is equal to 0 when we assumed pressure is constant. Now from this, TdS is equal to dH. dH by ds is equal to absolute temperature. Now point 1, slope of isobar line on HS coordinate is equal to the absolute temperature at that pressure. This pressure पे अगर प्रेशर कांस्टेंट है तो dH over ds is equal to absolute pressure. Within the wet region, both isobars and isotherms are same like in all other diagrams. This is constant temperature and constant pressure. At the same pressure, the temperature line is straight line. This line is same straight line. But in beyond the saturated vapor line, this is saturated vapor line. This is saturated liquid line. This region is known as wet region. Slope of isotherm line is continuously decreases, and slope of isobar line is continuously increases in superheated region. So this is all about Molier chart diagram, which you have to write in SSC Mechanical Engineering paper 2. This is sufficient content for that. So friends, please subscribe my channel for latest update पाने के लिए, और